All I can say is yourself and everyone who's crossed my path in Thailand. One, humbles me. Secondly, makes me feel guilty.
Why?
Because the people of Thailand have given me more than I've given them. In life, it's all about give and take. And all I've done is take. So I leave to go home feeling guilty.
Please don't.
But maybe one day I can give back.
They've had a few bites of time-honoured food heritage. Now, Pom wants Marco and Luciano to sample royal Thai cuisine, making its mark on the global stage. She's booked a table at Michelin-starred Saneh Jaan, which serves a host of royal delights.
Pom, you took my son and I back in time and gave us a little insight into your world. And I thought it was very beautiful. But now you've brought me here. Another Michelin-starred restaurant.
This restaurant I choose very close to the royal cuisine. All the food has to be prepared neatly, takes time, and come out beautifully.
Would you say the royal cuisine is the traditional food of Thailand?
Yes.
It's the classic cuisine?
Yes. When we say royal cuisine, everybody can understand automatically.
It draws a picture.
Yes.
Sounds rather grand.
Yes.
Very traditional. This is very exciting. Look at this, it's got a little flag. Aha.
This is the watermelon with dry fish.
That's very kind, thank you.
First on the menu, watermelon chunks topped with sugary dried fish. A traditional summer dish served to beat Thailand's scorching heat.
In the old time, we don't have air conditioner. We are one of the tropical country. The watermelon can cool you down, and the dry fish is one of the local ingredients of Thailand.
There's a sweetness to it as well.
Dry fish with sugar and deep fried shallot.
That's very good.
Yes.
Ooh, coffin. This is like MasterChef, the mystery box.
Next, a mystery box of delicate royal Thai appetisers featuring assorted meats, each meticulously shaped with artisanal precision.
That's like a sculpture garden.
This one here is the steamed dumplings with fish. The fish that we're using here is the snakehead fish. Watch out for the red chilies on top of it. In the middle, that is the steamed dumplings with crab meat. At the bottom of the meat, we have the beta beef. And moving on to the bottom here, we have some deep fries. On the left here, we have the crispy golden tung tong, which is a crispy flour with a deep fried chicken.
Tung tong.
And our cute little bird here, this is the deep fried prawn. And the head of the bird is made of mung beans. And lastly here is the deep fried pork wrapped around rice noodles. Please.
As I said, this is like separate from the meal in Thailand.
A little nibble.
Yes.
But the amount of work is extraordinary.
Eat and appreciate one by one.
That's quite delicate, very soft.
That's very good. They're like little sweets, savoury sweets.
This is called tung tong. Tung is a bag, tong is gold. When you eat, that means you have money, you have gold in your pocket.
Excuse fingers.
I like that one there, the hedgehog, or the lion or the dog. That's my favourite one. There's a slight touch of sweetness in that.
I'll tell you, children would love that. Capture their imagination beyond belief.
Yes.
The beauty of them, you just don't want to eat them. Someone might have spent an hour in the back just making 1 or 2 dumplings for you.
The amount of work is extraordinary. And the different textures and flavours.
Yes.
It's almost art form.
The kitchen here, they made very close to royal cuisine. They spend time to prepare, to make it beautifully, beautiful texture. When we serve the king, we serve all the best. In the palace, there were 1,000 chefs in there too. You have labor to do all these things.
That's a dying art.
Yes.
Oh my God, that looks amazing. This is a Thai feast.
On tonight's menu, a range of classical Thai dishes. tom yum goong, stir-fried crackling pork with kaffir lime, salted eggs and dried chilies, swimmer crab curry, nam prik gun siap, a traditional hot and spicy shrimp paste.
And lastly here, that is the 5 spices egg with kurobuta pork and the black tofu here.
Do these dishes originate from the palace?
In the palace or outside the palace, we eat the same thing. The difference is the taste, which is milder in the palace. Not too strong, not too spicy, not too salty.
I just can't wait to dig in.
That's a big prawn.
Yeah.
That's very good broth. There's heat, but it's not vicious. It's gentle.
Yes.
Very delicate.
5 spices egg is a dish that Thais have been familiar with for generations. Its roots extend to the royal palace, where exotic spices were often introduced by foreign visitors.
You can eat it all together with this too. It's up
With
to
eggs.
you.
It's very nice. I think they put that palm sugar in this dish. It's quite delicious, actually.
It's the most delicate food
We've had so far.
that we've had in Thailand, yeah.
So, how do you like?
What I've liked is 1, the simplicity, 2, the subtlety, 3, the intellect.
We still have all the sweet and dessert. Look at this.
These beautiful miniature fruit sculptures are traditional Thai sweets, made from mung beans and coconut milk, and glazed in shiny agar-agar jelly. Creamy, sweet and coconutty, they are the perfect afternoon treat.
They're quite magical.
We make it to imitate like the real fruit. When I was young, I enjoyed choosing different shape, different kind of fruit.
That's very beautiful. Look at that.
Yes. We are tropical country,
Yeah.
so we need some dessert that cool ourselves down.
Wow.
This is what we call som chun.
Som refers to a fruit with a sour taste, and this summertime treat's name speaks to the pungent smell of pickled lychees that were imported into Thailand. The earliest reference to this dish appears in the culinary poetry of King Rama II, who reigned in the early 19th century.
To make it cold, you put in all this crushed ice.
All of it, did you say?
Up to you. And then you put some fried shallot on top. And you taste it. If you find it too sweet, you can add more lime juice.
That's good.
Nice.
I like the balance of acidity and sweetness.
Yes.
What's this one?
Melon and some pomegranate. I think it's nice color.
Pomegranate, yeah, pretty. 1, it's clean, it cleanses the palate, and it's refreshing
Yes.
and not filling. It's very nice. Of all the food we've eaten in Thailand, this is without question the most sophisticated, the most delicate, but at the same time, the most understated. The food is not overworked. You can taste the river prawn before you taste the spice. Like the 5 spice with the pork was very delicate, and the sauce and the jus was very delicate. Even down to something as simple as a fruit salad has an extraordinary level of sophistication. So I can see why they call it the royal cuisine. Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for the chance that you give me to present Thai food and show this to the world.